Guys, and this is Coding with Gautam, and guys, today we're going to do the level passing through, and we are going to do more levels further. So let's start with this level passing through. You're so not supposed to insult the peaceful ogres. Don't take the gems. Sorry, take the gems. Don't take the mushrooms and move to the X. So do not insult this peaceful tribe of ogres. They will be insulted if you do not take their mushrooms, or if you take. They will be insulted if you take their mushrooms, or if you do not take the gems. So if the type does not equal a gem. So type is just a new command. This will be very useful in levels to find the type of friends, type of enemies, and type of items. Then you just follow your wolf. Else you move to the gems position. Here move xy item.pose.x item.pose.y. So now I click run. He moves, he gets all the gems. And yep, this is it for the level passing through. Okay. So we're doing passing through, logical path, and return to Thornbush farm. So we have used if statements, we have used nested if statements. So if you wouldn't have seen, we had the if item, and then in that we have if does not equal to. We access the properties of item, we use strings in the type, we used variables, item, and we kept all of our code in a while loop so it could keep working. So now we'll do logical path. We'll just need the same old equipment like we've been doing for the whole backwards forest. We just need the same equipment until the last levels, which are getting a bit harder, and Siege of Stonehold. Deep in the woods, a wizard presents you with a challenge. You can figure it out his logical riddles. He'll change the treasure with you. Use boolean operators like and, or not to reply. So it's like same. So if there is enemy and enemy type equals munchkin, attack. If enemy equals munchkin or thrower, attack. If enemy not brawler or ogre, attack. So you could do that. So easy treasure chest. So you move there, you get secret A and secret B. If both secret A and secret A are true, take the high path, otherwise take the low path. Secret C equals secret A and secret B. If secret C. So if there is a secret C, because if there's both are false, it won't come on. It won't, like secret C won't be there. If secret C, so if they both are true, you move high path, or else you take the low path. If secret B, if one is true or one is false, it's secret D. You take the high path, and then you move over here. If secret B is not true, take the high path, but it is true, so you take the low path. So this might be confusing, so I'll just break it down a bit. So first thing, secret C. Secret A and B are true, go up, else go down. So it's like you start with one thing, then two branches, like a big branch plot. So there are like lots of outcomes. Next, then if it's not true, you move down. Then you come over here for the next. So for the next move, secret D. If either secret A or secret B is true, you take the high path. So since they both are true, if secret B is false, in this case it is true, you move here, and then you get the treasure. So now I click run. We already saw that. Your logic is flawless. Here's share my treasure. So that's it. This is the level. Logical path. So now what we used in this level is that we have used lots of boolean logic. We have used boolean and, or, and the boolean not, basic syntax, normal coding, if and else statements, if statements, and the variables secret A, secret B, secret C, secret D. And now we'll go on to the next level. Return to Thornbush farm. Ogres are invading. Only cure is more parameters. Basic syntax, functions, if statements, strings, variables, and while loops. So we'll revisit functions. Same old thing, no change in equipment. Save all the ogres, save the peasants. Sorry, stop all the ogres and save the peasants. And that's our like goal for this level. So now you can define functions with more than one parameter, like build trap xy. So last time we only did with one argument like enemy, but now you can go like build trap xy. So move xy, whatever pose they give. If there's an enemy, you build a fire trap at the given xy. This is maybe build fire trap. So maybe build fire trap 40-30. You check. You go to the chords 40, 43, 50. Then you check. Okay, if there's an enemy, you build. Else, a friend might come, so you do not build. And fire traps, these are like these bombs which if they come in contact with an enemy, they explode, or the hero. So you see the fire trap, it blasted. He sees the enemy. Now blasts. You see the enemy. You might just say that why not of using a function? You could just build. But here's the twist. Some friends might come in, and if they die, level's gone. So you only build it when you see an enemy. So you're just saving all your friends' lives. Next one, he just kills all the enemies. Next one, I think this last one will be a friend. Okay, it is a friend. Okay, and that was it for the level Return to Thornbush Farm. So what did we use? We have used functions, but this time we could use two parameters. I'll just explain this a bit more. So first parameter, so let's just think of a different function. Let's go back, maybe attack. This time you could go pose and enemy. So you could go like if the enemy dot distance is less than the allotted pose, not the pose in there in the function, but the allotted pose. And one thing good about function is that you can reuse it. It's not like that. If it was normal, I had to copy paste this code every single time. But since it's in a function, you can reuse the function. So you just keep top coordinates, left coordinates, and bottom coordinates. So this is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. And this is Coding with Goto, and I will see you next time in part 6. Have a good day.